Have you ever wondered why nothing on your vision board comes true? Well, that's because you don't understand the difference between vision and visualization. Let me break it down for you. So what is vision? Vision is something you have or receive. Visualization, on the other hand, is something that you do. These two differences are why most people are not manifesting what's on their vision board. While both of these processes utilize the mind, they are entirely different. Visualization is something you do, while vision is something you have or receive. Visualization is a mental technique controlled by your conscious mind. Vision, on the other hand, comes through a deep connection with intuition and your higher consciousness. So what board do you have? A vision board is a board that you place images that you have received via a vision, images that you have seen in your future. Visions that you have received, you place these visions on your vision board. That is literally the definition of vision board. However, most people, when they refer to vision boards, are actually speaking of visualization boards. What is a visualization board? A visualization board would be a board where people place images that they have imagined or visualized. For example, let's pretend that one day you're meditating and all of a sudden you see yourself on the stage and there's a crowd of 1 million people and you're singing your heart out. This vision that you have received seems so real. You know that at some point in your life, this is gonna come to pass. There is absolutely no doubt about it. On the other hand, let's say one day you're sitting down and you're also meditating, but this time you say to yourself, what's my dream job? How do I envision my future? And you start imagining, using your conscious mind to imagine and to create an image of yourself that you want to manifest. You start now visualizing yourself, maybe doing construction if that's what you want to do. You can also visualize yourself standing on stage if that's what you want to do. You see the difference? A vision just comes to you. You have no mental activity, you just receive this vision. Whereas visualization is conscious mental activity, putting to words, creating an image in your mind of what you want to consciously and deliberately manifest. Now at this point, you may be wondering, why is it important to know this difference? Well, if you don't understand the difference between whether you've created a vision board or a visualization board, after creating these boards, you're going to take action. And each of these boards require different action. In order to manifest what's on your vision board, you need a certain type of action. In order to manifest what's on your visualization board, you need a different type of action. So it's very important that you understand, have I created a vision board or a visualization board? There are different tools needed in order to manifest what you have on these boards. If you've created a vision board, you need to utilize the art of allowing. If you've created a visualization board, you need to utilize creative energy or deliberate actions. Both of these are two entirely different things. What is creative energy? How do you utilize creative energy? We use creative energy every single day. You want something to eat, you're going to use creative energy. You want to paint a picture, you're going to use creative energy. You want to put on your makeup, you're utilizing creative energy. You want to make a baby, you use creative energy. Everything you manifest does use creative energy. It is the energy that you use in order to create. From life to a sandwich, creative energy is what is utilized. Along with creative energy, you need to have deliberate actions. So you're going to use your creative energy, your power that you have. It is the life force within yourself that you are going to direct towards a specific action to bring about a deliberate, desired outcome. You're laying in bed, you're hungry, and you visualize eating a sandwich. You need to use your energy. You need to use your energy to do some deliberate actions. Get up out of bed, go into your kitchen, open up the cupboard, get down your saucer or your plate, open up the fridge, grab whatever you want, your condiments, get your bread, put your sandwich together, and then eat it, right? You have just manifested your sandwich by using your creative energy and deliberate actions. So this creative energy and deliberate action is what you use for your visualization board. On the other hand, for your vision board, you are going to utilize the art of allowing. What is the art of allowing? The art of allowing is getting out of your own way. What do I mean by that? You need to overcome your limitations. You need to overcome your doubts, your fears, and your insecurities. You need to get out of your own way. Remember, when you receive a vision, you're seeing something that's already in your timeline. You're seeing something that's already on your path. This is going to happen. Things have been done in the past that have already set this in motion. It is coming. The only thing that can stop it is you. So you need to get out of your own way. So to further break it down, let's use our sandwich example. You're laying in bed and you're tired, and maybe you're also hungry. All of a sudden, you see that your cousin comes through the door and gives you a sandwich. Wow, that's such a great vision. You have no idea why you saw that, but you're happy about it because you're feeling hungry. All of a sudden, you hear a knock on the door, but you're feeling tired, so you don't want to answer your door. You're gonna have to overcome that feeling of tiredness to get up out of your bed to open the door. See, the sandwich is already on route. The only thing stopping you from receiving the sandwich would be your laziness. Make sense? Okay, that sandwich example is a little bit funny. Okay, let's go a little bit deeper. Visions can happen anywhere and at any time. Remember, it's not your own mental activity. You're not consciously trying to have a vision. They just happen, especially when you are connected to your higher consciousness and intuitive. So, to bring it back to the real world, one day you're just going for your walk, right? Your regular walk, and all of a sudden you see yourself and you are standing on stage back to the million people who are viewing you, all watching and cheering for you, and you have a mic in your hand and you're singing away. That vision may actually scare you because you have a fear of being on stage. What are you gonna have to do to accomplish that vision? Overcome your fear of audiences, overcome your stage fright. There are books that you could read to overcome your stage fright, classes you could take, counseling you could do. There's a whole bunch of options that you would have that you could implement to overcome that fear. Remember, mastering the art of allowing means overcoming limitations, doubts, fears, and all of your insecurities. And this is why if you're creating vision boards, actual vision boards, they don't come to pass because you need to get over your limitations, your insecurities, your doubts and fears by practicing the art of allowing. And if you've been creating visualization boards, they aren't coming to pass because instead of using your own creative energy to deliberately put actions into place that will bring that manifestation about, you're just relaxing, waiting for it to happen. It's not a vision, it's a visualization. You have work to do. Visualization takes a lot of outer work, where visions take a lot of inner work. Now that you understand the difference between vision and visualization, vision board and visualization board, art of allowing and using your creative energy, you can now manifest anything on your boards. And here's how. Next time you have a vision, find images that are exactly like your vision or as close to your vision as possible. Take those images, cut them out, and place them on your vision board. Any and everything that you could remember from your vision, find images that look as closely to that as possible and place them on your vision board. And remember, practice the art of allowing. Look at those images and say to yourself, is there anything within me that is hindering or stopping me from manifesting this? Do I have any limitations, fears, doubts, or insecurities that are stopping me or hindering me from manifesting what's on this board? This is deep inner work. Find out whatever may be stopping you and work at it. Get over those limitations, doubts, fears, and insecurities, and watch your manifestation take place. On the other hand, for your visualization board, find images that look again as closely to what it is that you want to manifest. After looking at your visualization board, ask yourself, what are some deliberate actions I can take right now to start manifesting the things on this board? Remember, everything that you want to do is in your power to do it. You only have to find the resources and connect with the right people to make these things happen. Nothing is out of reach for you. Are you willing to put your creative energy to manifest your desire? All you need is deliberate action and willingness to manifest what's on your visualization board. And I know you may be wondering, but what if my board has both? That is very possible. You can have a board that has both vision and visualization. But what you need to remember is to be true first to the vision. The visualization is just going to be decoration. One last example. Let's say you have a vision of yourself on stage, singing in front of the millions of people. That is your vision. That's something that you have to work on getting out of your way. How does visualization come into play? Well, what are you wearing on stage? How is your hair? How is your makeup? All of these things are left up to you. It's left up to your creative energy. It's left up to your desire of how you want to look on stage, because your vision wasn't about that. Unless you saw yourself standing on stage wearing a white dress with a high ponytail, you don't have to worry about trying to manifest that. You only have to manifest what was very clear to you in your visions. Everything else is left up to your creative energy. Remember, it's my joy to help you manifest your dream life and highest self. So be sure to check out this other video on my channel. See you soon. Bye-bye.